Could a robot be cleaning your home by 2030? Artificial intelligence is advancing at a pace that is, frankly, breathtaking. Millions of people worldwide earn their living as domestic workers, cleaners, nannies, carers, cooks, and housekeepers. But as robots and AI become smarter, faster, and cheaper, one question is on everyone's lips. Will AI replace them entirely? Let's be honest, some domestic tasks are already being automated. Robot vacuum cleaners are hoovering our floors. Smart washing machines manage laundry on their own. AI-powered ovens can follow recipes. Window cleaning drones are being tested right now. And robotic lawn mowers? Already on the market. Repetitive, physical, and predictable tasks, these are squarely in AI's crosshairs. But here's what AI cannot replace, at least not yet. Emotional intelligence. A carer who holds an elderly person's hand. A nanny who notices a child is anxious. A housekeeper who understands exactly how a family likes their home to feel. Domestic workers who invest in caregiving skills, childcare qualifications, elder care training, and who learn to work alongside smart home technology, they will remain irreplaceable. Adaptability is the new job security. Will domestic work be obsolete by 2030? The honest answer, no. Not entirely. But it will look very different. Estimates suggest up to 40% of routine domestic tasks could be automated within the decade. However, the human demand for connection, trust, and nuanced care means that skilled domestic workers will always have a place. The real question isn't whether AI will take over, it's whether domestic workers will choose to evolve alongside it. The future belongs to those who adapt. AI is coming for the repetitive tasks, but the heart of domestic work? That remains deeply, profoundly human. If you're a domestic worker, invest in yourself. Learn. Grow. Because your greatest asset isn't your hands, it's your humanity. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below.